another Allure beauty box unboxing. This one is one of the bonus boxes, and this is like the Reader's Choice Award winners box for 2023. They do one of these every year. It's usually pretty good, so got myself one of these. It's got the little card with the stuff on it, as well as like a listing of the names of all of the things, but we're just gonna take the stuff out and look at it, so we don't need to look at the card. So, it's good stuff that's here in my opinion, but I mean it usually is. So, first thing in there is admittedly a thing that I already have, and I still don't know how I feel about it because I haven't tried it yet, but it's the Oribe Dry Texturizing Spray. This is just like a little mini size. But yeah, since I don't really know how to use texturizing spray, my hair has a lot of natural texture to it. I've never actually used it, but I have like 3 little cans of this at this point, so I don't know, but anyway. But what I am excited for, full-size Lancome Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Concentrate. So this is a serum, and this stuff is pricey as hell. So the fact that they did like full size, I am honestly really impressed. So I'm super excited to own that. Almost as excited to have like the full size of this, the La Roche-Posay Anthelios Light Fluid Sunscreen with broad spectrum SPF 50, and this is for your face. So, I mean, I've had the itty bitty little sample tubes before, but I've never had the full size. So, now I do, and I'm honestly pretty stoked about it. Also interesting, they've got the braille on the side, if you can see that. I'm like, oh, interesting. Not a lot of companies do that. I respect that choice, actually. I mean, obviously, I'm sighted, so that doesn't help me, but I mean, I like that they have that there as an option for people who are blind. Like, that's cool. We've also got, oh, this kind of crushed up in there. It is the MAC Eye Kohl, I guess it's just a eyeliner in the color Smolder, which is just a black eyeliner. I mean, black eyeliners are always good, and it's MAC brand, which I'm not sure I've ever had an eyeliner from MAC yet, so that's kind of cool to have. So we have that. This is big boy here. This is the Josie Moran Whipped Argan Oil Ultra Hydrating Body Butter. So, I mentioned it to Kimmy, she's like, but what if it's coconut? I'm like, if it's coconut, you can freaking have it. You and Mom can fight over it, but I don't think it will. She's like, well, every body butter I've ever had has always been coconut. I'm like, bro, I've had a lot of body butters that weren't, so I wouldn't just make that assumption, kiddo, but whatever. Actually, you know, I'm gonna leave it sealed until I'm ready to try it, but anyway. I was gonna check and see it doesn't smell like coconut, but you know what, I can check another time. But anyway, yeah, that's a good size. So, and I know Josie Moran is like a good brand too. That's probably also pretty pricey. And then this guy, everyone fights for these. This is the Pillow Talk Matte Revolution Luminous Modern Matte Long Lasting Lipstick in Pillow Talk. You know, the famous one that everyone loses their shit over with this brand. So that'll be a soon to review item. But let me show you it. It's pretty cool. I love the packaging. It's so bougie, and it's rose gold, and just everything about this, chef's kiss. So it's this color here, which is a very nice color. It's a very unique shaped lipstick with all the angles on it. But I kind of like that. So, there's that. And then finally, I think this is, yeah, last item in there. This is from Tarte, and I'm honestly not sure if I already have this. If I don't, I have something very similar to it, but it is a palette. Yeah, this is the Tartelette in Bloom palette. It looks very familiar, but then again, Tarte also has a whole lot of, like, neutral palettes like this, so I might just be mixing it up for another one. Like, I literally have a different Tarte neutral one right here. It's not the same one, but I'm like, just for point of comparison with colors, like, they're kind of known for it, just throwing it out there. But the color names in this one are Charmer, Jet Setter, Rocker, Smoke Show, Flower Child, Smarty Pants, Firecracker, Activist, Funny Girl, Barbara Streisand, Sweetheart, Rebel, and Leader. And I'm like, dude, for the names alone, that is amazing, and I love it, even just for that. So, even though I'm usually not like that wild on neutral palettes, I love these names. So that, to me, will make it more worth it, I think. And let's see what they look like in person, because sometimes the colors in person look way different than the colors on the boxes. Oh, it's so cute! Look at the packaging! That is so effing cute! I'm sorry, I'm like, mind blown to all the things. So let me block the mirror so I don't blind you guys with the reflection of the light. There. But yeah, those are pretty. Those are pretty. I want to say it's like slightly scented or something, but I'm getting a slight vanilla scent off of something here. But yeah, those are pretty. Definitely usable colors. Not so sure about that black. I mean, that's a very, very pigmented black. I'm kind of scared of it. I have yet to really find a good way of wearing that pigmented of black. Oh wait, I should put the film back in there. But everything else in there looks very usable. So pretty stoked with all of that. But yeah, it was like a really good box this time. I find in the like previous years of my buying these, they've had more products in past years, but they were more like sample-size products versus this time I think there's a lot more either full-sized or closer to full-size products if they weren't full-sized in there. So, you know, you get what you pay for. So I want to say that this box was only something like 40 bucks. Something like that. Does it mention on here? And yet the value is a $318, so it's still a steal, either damn way. But yeah, so anyway, that is it for this one, guys. Just wanted to show you all that stuff. Yay, puppies! So anyway, so that is it. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. Let me know down in the comments what you want to see me review the most first. I may take it into consideration, or I'll just do my own thing, either way. Not too many people actually answer that question whenever I ask it. So anyway, that is it. So leave comments about anything you feel like leaving them down below as well. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel, you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, I need to stop. Till next time, guys. Bye.